Hey guys, this is Robert from Land Rover Naperville. Today I have the 110 Defender Octa edition, special edition here, 626 horsepower. We do have the forged carbon around the car. You have the forged carbon around the letters as well. Special edition. One right here. You do have the 22-inch style wheels, off-roading. And then I'm going to come follow back here. For the Octa, you do have square quad tips for the exhaust. Super nice. And you got the wide body. I'm going to show you something cool too inside the car. Got forged carbon on the seats, the bucket seats. My favorite part of the car is turning on Octa. Just like that, Octa mode's on, and you have 626 horsepower to have fun. And the Octa does have a special Octa badge besides all the other Defenders as well. Super nice. As well with the Octa, you do have these 3 orange little lights right here. Just a little special edition for it. That's it for today, guys. Come grab this today at Land Rover in Naperville.